This video is brought to you by Thesis and SIWriting.com. Hey everyone, writing a dissertation and can I feel like killing with a mountain, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's get started. Step 1. Research question. Step 1 is choosing a focused topic and formulating a strong research question. It might be specific and clear. Step 2. Literature review. Step 2 is the literature review. This is where you analyze exciting research and fill the gaps. Step 3. Methodology. Step 3 is your methodology. You must explain exactly how you call it your date. Step 4 is result and dissertation. Present what you found and answer your main research question. For professional academic help, check out these and Thesis and SIWriting.com. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.